Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We are going to do a test shot on this quick mill. Came in with low pressure and a intermittent tank sensor. So we went ahead and replaced that to work on the pressure. Let's see what we got here. We're sitting right below 1.5, so that's nice for this type of machine. It's a test coffee, but here we are. We're right up there in 10 bars. And here we go. We got a nice little chroma. Just cut that shot short there. Nice strong steam. We'll purge it and then give it a good hit. Let it run for a minute just so you can see. Holding should recover pretty quick. It's already climbing up. I'm going to check with the water as well. It's working off the same. Going to pull some water, ask for water, still hold the pressure. Let it run all the way till it stops. Oh, there we go. Pulling out a lot of water. There you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. I'll leave that pressure on the bottom there. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.